Hi friends. It looks like I'm going back to New York. Welcome to a very chaotic weekend in my life. Unfortunately, it has only been 24 hours since I last updated you on my circumstances, and things have rapidly changed. I got the call yesterday from my dad that they are putting down our family dog Marley. I sobbed a lot, and my parents said that he has probably about 2 weeks. If I wanted to fly in, they would bring me in, and I was like, yeah, I want to. So I'm going to New York tomorrow for 5 days to work from home, from my parents' home with Marley. So I can have some final time with him and hug him and love him very much because he's such a good boy and it is before his time. But if I talk about it more right now, I'm going to cry, and so I'm not going to do that because I'm already running late. I had plans for this weekend, so we're doing the plans. I'm going to go to a breakfast spot called the Cozy Cottage with Amanda and Lindsay. I'm going to go see them, update them on the circumstances. Then I have depop stuff to drop off. There's also a really cute dog store over by the Cozy Cottage, so I'm going to get Marley a really nice treat. And I guess Iggy a treat too, maybe. I am excited to see Amanda and Lindsay and go to the Cozy Cottage because it's a place I've wanted to go literally since I moved to Denver. And I used to work on that street and I never went. I don't know what's wrong with me, but it's time to go. So we're gonna go do that. And then Iggy has his haircut today. We are down to one car, so I have to drop Kenan off at work. It's chaotic. It's hectic. We gotta get a lot done. I also have to fucking pack. So, welcome to this mess of a vlog. Let's go. It is so cute. It used to be pink. I don't know why they painted it, but I liked the pink. Still cute. Home. Bestie is gaming and Sonicing.
Sponsor me.
Iggy is gonna get his hair cut. Oh my god. Little shaggy boy.
He's gonna come back so fresh, so clean.
We're gonna be able to see his eyes. Crazy. Crazy. Time for Iggy to get his hair cut. Are you excited, Igman? Are you? This is the final documentation of the emo boy haircut. Time to go inside. Hello. So we got Iggy in. It took a lot because he is a very wriggly little boy who needs a lot of special attention. But we got him in. Don't have to be back there until like 4-ish, I think. I have to drop Kenan off at work for 3, and I am back downtown. And it's about 2 because I'm literally around the block from the Cozy Cottage. My friend Mish had gotten me a pair of shoes, which I'll show you real quick. Thank you so much, Mish. They are stunning. And she had gotten them for me and put them out on her porch, but I completely forgot and I drove home. So I just drove right back and here we are, and I got them. So thanks, Mish. Love you. But now I have to drive home because then I have to take Kenan to work, head back up. Or down. I guess technically it's down now. It used to be up for me. To the side? I don't even know. We're going home. That's the point. Y'all, it is nonstop go today. But I got home. Kenan just hopped in the car. I took him to work. And then I stopped. I just got a quick McDonald's chicken nugget. They did not give me another Squishmallow toy. Kind of sad about it, but whatever. And then I got home. I ate really fast. I talked to my friend Ashley on the phone, who was just really sweet and checking in on me about Marley. And then as soon as I hung up the phone, I got another phone call from Petco saying that Iggy is ready, like a whole hour early. So that's great. So we're going to go get him, and then we're going to come back, and then we're going to pack. Whew. It's just go, 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 nonstop. But yeah, also here's the fit of the day. Did not have time to show you before. My brown cardigan is in my car, but it's from Quince. It's a cashmere cardigan, but like I got it for $15 at the thrift store. So love. This I got off of Depop, but it's just like this cute little cozy looking Attic Treasures turtleneck. It's just very grandma core, and I loved it. I have my trusty American Eagle jeans, Old Navy belt, the mini Uggs, and I'm about to have an Iggy, so let's go. Look at our handsome man. He looks so much more puppyish with his haircut. Oh my god. You look so young, dude. You lost like 10 years. Great job. And your ears are so fluffy. Wow. Cutie boy. He apparently did very well, according to the groomer, so love to hear it. I'm so proud of you. Okay, let's go home. Hi, besties. Much later now. I sat down to film my quick little TBR video, so I would have my second video for next week. This week. I don't know. Whatever. You know what I mean. And we've been having dishwasher issues since the polar freeze from last weekend, and our dishwasher froze. And since then, it hasn't been working. So my landlord came over for like the second time today. He was here for like an hour and a half trying to fix it. And I think he did. There was also like chipped pieces of like dish in the filter, and he thinks that's what was wrong. So I'm going to go try to run some dishes. We've been doing lots of laundry because we have to. And some of this is just coming directly into my suitcase, and the rest is Kennan's, and I have to put it away. But that's what we've been up to. I've been watching some archaeology videos on YouTube, and I was just sort of waiting for my landlord to finish up. I'm going to bring Iggy inside. We're going to start packing. I'm also going to do a little Olaplex moment on my hair because it was really nice last time. And I've seen the things about, you know, Olaplex breaking people's hair and to watch out. But that specifically is for people who are wearing it like all day long. I wore it for like an hour last time and it worked wonderfully. So I'm going to put it on now. We're going to wear it while we pack. Maybe I'll do a fun little treadmill walk if I'm feeling it. Walking pad walk rather. And then we're going to wash it out and have a nice, good, deep condition for my hair before we hit the East Coast again. So let's do it. God. I also did a poll on my Instagram private story to see if I should go blonder again or if I should go copper. A lot of people said copper, so like, leave your opinion down below. I'd like to hear it. Gooey. Sticky. Let's let her sit and get going. Okay, it's time to finally pack. Kind of got to make sure there's nothing else in here because this is what Kenan used for Christmas. Yeah, there's stuff in here. Yeah. Oh, it's mine though. Whoops. Slay. As we know, I'm a chronic overpacker, but this time, since I'm literally not planning on doing anything except being at home with my dog, I'm going to account for perhaps 2 events that will take place outside of my home in which I have to look okay, you know. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of leggings plus the ones I'll be wearing tomorrow. Thank you very much. Come on, fold them back up. Thank you. 1 pair of jeans, 1 pair of pajamas. This will be 2 sweaters. The other one is just in the dryer right now. And then we have 2 sweatshirts, 2 regular t-shirts, and of course we've got undies and socks and the whole shebang. I do need sneakers, I think, just in case. Boom. This suitcase rocks, honestly. It's a good one. And I did just grab one like little button-downy shirt, which will be nice because I'm still working and I still have a lot of meetings. So I need one shirt that is like appropriate for, you know, business calls. The fit for tomorrow is just gonna be the classic Nike, Lulu, sports bra, and the Uggs. So that's that. Let me get my work computer and put it in here. Okay. That's backpack stuff. I forgot to fucking, okay. There we go. That's going in. Now I should probably completely shut that down. And then, yeah, I'm just waiting on one more sweater. Then I think we're good. The lightest pack I'm possibly doing. I will pack the rest of my bathroom stuff after I take my shower. Don't think I'm bringing any makeup because, I mean, who am I seeing? I'm probably going to see my friends, hopefully once. But otherwise, who am I seeing? High heel on my tippies. Saying goodbye on my titties. Did not expect to need this bad boy so soon. Putting in meds. And sunglasses. And lippy balm. I have like 4 of these and I don't know where they went. They have all disappeared. And this is one of my almost empty ones, so I hope I find them soon. I decided I wanted to bring one physical book with me, the 7-year slip, because I will be bringing my Kindle, but that's Warrior Central. So I think this is gonna be pretty empty, quite honestly. I have a whole lot of empty room in here. I am not trying to do anything nuts. I am going to try to edit my little book video, and then after that I'll toss my other laptop in here, and that will be good and sufficient. I have so much extra room. I'm doing it right. We're doing good. I am going to empty the dryer, put my final sweater in here, and take a shower. And I'll catch you after the shower. Just finished, ooh, little sneeze. Just finished editing my video for Monday, Tuesday, I think it's Tuesday. Gonna go switch out more laundry, pick up Kenan from work, and snuggle with Iggy Boy. But I also really want to finish my Secret History book. Because I'm so close to the end. It is just so dense, and it takes like a lot of brain energy to read. And as you can hear, I'm a very eepy girl, but we will see. Maybe I'll read it tomorrow morning. Iggy just looks so cute. And he's been very calm tonight, which is great. I mean, calm for him. I really do think the hair irritates him if it gets too long. So maybe we'll try keeping it shorter from here on out. Even though he's not that curly boy anymore. But as long as he's happy. Good morning. I'm going home today. But first, we're going to Waffle House. Beep beep. I have a couple hours before I have to actually be at the airport, so I'm gonna finish the Secret History. I need to finish, like, now. I'm tired of reading it. It's so good, but God, is it dense. And I'm gonna hang out with Kenan. Hello. Whoa, God. We finished the Secret History, and it's time to go to the airport. Iggy is here, my office. It's not the cleanest, but it's time to go to New York. There he is, my little guy. I'm gonna miss Iggy, but I'm glad I get to see Marley. Kenan got me Shabnam the sea slug. Look at her. She has wings. Or I guess those are probably fins. But she's covered in hearts. She's got a little tail, and her name is Shabnam. And I love her. Thanks, Misty. No problem. Shabnam. There's Lucifer. Long time no see, horseman. I thought rehab would be a new start for me. good man. Hi. Oh.
It doesn't happen like it doesn't happen more often than it does, you know? Is that the case? Does he just get on one?